Elevation of boiling point method. Molar elevation constant, ebullioscopic constant, definition and mathematical expression. Derivation required. Definition. The increase in the boiling point of a solvent on addition of a solute to it is called the elevation of boiling point for that solvent. By means of a graph, we can derive the mathematical expression. For that, a graph is plotted, vapor pressure and temperature. Now, this first curve shows it is the curve obtained by the pure solvent. The pure solvent at the point A, the pressure is P0 and the temperature is Tb, that the pure solvent boils at a temperature Tb. Now, the second curve, that is solution 1, we added a non-volatile solute to solvent and now it is called solution, and this curve represents the pressure temperature variation of solution 2. At the point B, the pressure at the point here, the pressure is determined by cutting the graph here. That means the solution 1 at the point D gives the pressure P1, but the curve solution 1, the temperature is T1, pressure is P1, temperature is T1. The solution 2, we add more solute into it and the concentration of the solute is more than the solution 1. At the point E, that is the solution 2, pressure is P2 and the temperature of this solution at the point C is T2. Therefore, look at the pressure and the temperature. The solvent temperature and the solution temperature T1, that difference is known as delta TB1. This is the difference. And the solution 2, that means the temperature difference between TB and T2. That means T2 is higher. T2 minus Tb is equal to delta Tb2. Therefore, this and all will help you to derive the equation delta Tb1. What is delta Tb1? And what is delta Tb2? From the graph, you should know these two values. Now, we are going to consider two triangles. Consider these curved lines are all straight line. And consider two triangle ABD, this triangle, and ACE, another triangle. Based on that, we are going to derive the equation.